Welcome to Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services. We're thrilled to have you here as we embark on this journey to demystify income tax for beginners. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by tax forms or unsure about how to navigate the world of taxes, you're in the right place. In this course, we'll break down the essentials of income tax in a way that's easy to understand and apply. You'll learn about the different types of income, deductions, and credits that can benefit you and your business. We'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you feel confident and empowered to handle your taxes like a pro. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions, maximize your returns, and avoid common pitfalls. We believe that understanding your taxes is not just about compliance. It's about taking control of your financial future. Thank you for choosing Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services as your partner in this important journey. We appreciate your trust in us, and we're excited to support you every step of the way. If you find our content helpful, please consider following us for more insights and tips. Let's get started on this path to financial empowerment together.